Hello everyone, welcome to the how to channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to join Telegram channel without a link or an invite. Now guys, the first thing we want to do is to head over to our Telegram. Now when you get over here to your Telegram, you want to tap on the search icon or the magnifying lens at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then I'm going to be searching based on the topic that interests me. So over here I'm going to be typing crypto. And guys, there will be so many channels here on cryptocurrency, so I'll just tap on anyone that interests me, go through it. I can just tap on the join button to join this community or to join this channel. Now the second method you can use to join a Telegram channel without a link or an invite is to head over to any browser of your choice. But for today I'm going to be using my Chrome, and over here at the search bar I'm going to be typing Telegram channels for movies. And now guys, as you can see, there are a whole lot of channels that this browser brings out for you. So you just want to go through the best, and you can join the channel either through this browser, or you can take the name and go over to your Telegram, use your search bar and search for the channel. Now guys, thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the how to channel. I'll see you next time in our next video. Bye.